Hey everyone, so July was my biggest month of merch by Amazon to date. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how much I made in July and how I did it. So thanks for watching Starting Up, the channel all about sharing tips of how to sell online. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and also share this video if you have any friends that are going to find this interesting. And before I start going into how I did in July, I want to ask, how was July 2018 for you on Merch by Amazon? Was it one of your best months, or did you have a slow month? Let me know in the comments box below. Cool, so we're coming to the end of August now, and August has unfortunately been a slower month than June and July was for me. It's a bit slow, it's getting a bit disheartening, but I'm going to look back to July because I haven't yet done my July Merch by Amazon report and share that with you guys. So I'm going to share with you exactly how much I earned because July was my biggest month to date on Merch by Amazon. I made the most profit I've ever made before in July. So I'm going to jump into it now, exactly how much money I made in July, then I'll tell you how I did it and get into some of my plans for the future. So let's jump over to my Merch by Amazon account and see how much money I made in July. So we're in August now, so we need to look at the previous month. So we're looking at this section here, which is a screen provided by the Google Chrome extension Pretty Merch Pro. I'll put a link in the description below for that. But if we look at the previous month, we can see that I sold 311 shirts in July. So compared to June, I can't remember exactly how many I sold in June, but I made $600 profit in June. July, it's telling me I've sold 311 shirts and I've made $917 in profit. Now, Pretty Much Pro isn't always accurate in showing you how much profit you made. That figure can change a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over to the Analyze screen of Merch by Amazon, and we're going to see exactly how much Amazon told me I made in July 2018. So we're going to go to July 2018 on the July screen, 1,020 in earnings minus adjustments means I made $946.47. I'll put the screen up now showing the little screen capture that I got. It's the biggest month I had today. It's month 6. Sales went up and then down, and then they skyrocketed up. If you saw my video last month, you can see I went from $18 to $660. It went up again this month to $946. So 2 big jumps from month 4 to month 5, month 5 to month 6. It's been crazy. I'm really happy with how Merch by Amazon went for me in these 2 months. So it just goes to show, after the slow start, things can pick up. And if you're stranded in the lower tiers, let's just jump over to my website. If you want a free PDF that I've made, it's about 14 pages long, telling you how to go from tier 10 to tier 500, step-by-step instructions for how you can tier up. Come over to my website, startingup.com/merch by Amazon, pop your email address in here, sign up, and I'll email you that free PDF guide with my step-by-step journey that I took to get to this stage, because you can do it too if you put your head to it and you're consistent and you have the creativity and the originality and the hard work. This is more than possible for you. I'm just a normal, regular guy trying this, and I've made nearly $1,000 in July. You can do it too. So there we have it, 311 shirt sales in July and $946 made in profit. So month 6, July, was an amazing month. I said earlier, August isn't looking to be as strong a month. It's slowing down this month for me. Have you had the same experience? Let me know in the comments box below, because I really want to know how other people are doing in August. I'd be really interested to see what your experiences are like. So in reaction to things slowing down, I've made a plan moving forward. So most of my sales, the big jump I had in month 5 and month 6, they're all really around a single niche that I found. It was like a little gold mine, and it started exploding and selling really well. But that niche is slowing down now. So my plan moving forward is to diversify. I'm at tier 2,000 now. I can get 2,000 different designs on Amazon. I plan on diversifying into as many niches as possible to try and bring my sales back up once that single niche I've been relying on slows down. So moving forwards, I'm going to be diversifying as much as possible. This month's been amazing for my account. If you can see, I'll show you. I have had pop sockets unlocked, and I've had English and German markets unlocked. I've already sold a few shirts in the UK. We can see on the Create page now it's changed. I can now choose the marketplace from .com to co.uk and to Germany. And if I go to the product type, I've now got pop sockets. There's a lot of potential here for me to rectify the slowdown going into Q4. So when Halloween, Christmas and New Year's Eve comes, there's a lot of potential for me to have pop sockets up UK shirts, German shirts, and American shirts, really diversified for when that time comes. So that's going to be my strategy moving forwards, is to just prepare for the last 3 months of 2018 with as many products as possible. So if you think that's a good idea, let me know. If you've got any different plans, if your account's slowing down, or you've got any future plans that are different to mine, let me know as well, because I'm really interested to know. Cool, so that's it. A quick video today. Not much of an update to tell you, just basically this is the biggest month I've had so far. Really happy I wanted to share the news with you. Make sure to tune in soon. There's videos every Monday and Thursday, all about sharing tips of how to start online. Thank you for watching Starting Up. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and also if you want some one-on-one advice from me, some tips, then make sure to go to the Patreon link in the end screen and become a patron, and we can have some one-on-one chats too. But yeah, thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you soon. Peace and love. Bye.